In the bustling landscape of business software, choosing the right tools to manage projects and operations can feel like navigating a maze. Two platforms that frequently appear in discussions about project management are Jira and Scoro, yet they serve distinctly different primary purposes and cater to different types of organizations. As a project management expert, I often find myself explaining that while both can facilitate aspects of project work, they are not interchangeable. Understanding their core philosophies and functionalities is crucial for making an informed decision. Let's delve into the fundamental differences between Jira and Scoro. Jira, the agile powerhouse for software development and IT. Jira, by Atlassian, began its life as a bug and issue tracker. Over time, it evolved into a highly configurable and powerful tool for agile project management, particularly within software development, IT, and DevOps teams. Its strengths lie in its flexibility for defining complex workflows, tracking granular tasks, and supporting various agile methodologies. Key characteristics and strengths of Jira. Issue tracking foundation. Jira's core strength is its robust issue tracking. Every piece of work in Jira is an issue, whether it's a bug, a new feature, a task, a story, or an epic. This granular tracking allows teams to meticulously monitor the lifecycle of any work item from creation to completion. Agile methodologies. Jira is purpose-built for Agile. It excels at supporting Scrum, Kanban, and hybrid Agile approaches. Its features include Scrum boards for sprint planning, backlog management, burn-down charts, and velocity tracking. Kanban boards for visualizing workflow, managing work in progress, WIP, limits, and optimizing flow. Roadmaps for visualizing the long-term strategic direction and progress of products. Workflow customization. Jira offers unparalleled workflow customization. You can define intricate transitions between statuses, set conditions for moving issues, and add automation rules, mirroring complex development processes. Integration ecosystem. As part of the Atlassian suite, Jira integrates seamlessly with tools like Confluence, documentation, Bitbucket/GitHub, code repositories, and OpsGenie, on-call management. Its extensive marketplace also offers integrations with numerous third-party development and IT tools. Technical focus. Jira's terminology and design are heavily oriented towards software development and IT operations. Terms like sprints, epics, user stories, bug fixes, and deployments are central to its interface and functionality. Scalability for development teams. Jira can scale from small development teams to large enterprises with thousands of developers and complex product portfolios. Not an ERP system. It's important to clarify that Jira is not an enterprise resource planning (ERP) system. It does not handle core business functions like general ledger accounting, invoicing, payroll, or human resources beyond basic team management. Typical users of Jira: software development teams, IT operations, DevOps teams, product managers, quality assurance, QA, teams, and customer support teams, often using Jira Service Management, a related product. Scoro, the all-in-one hub for professional services. Scoro, on the other hand, is designed as an all-in-one business management software tailored specifically for professional service businesses, such as agencies, consultancies, marketing firms, and IT service providers. Its vision is to consolidate various business functions into a single platform, moving beyond just project management to encompass the entire quote-to-cash cycle. Key characteristics and strengths of Scoro. End-to-end business management. Scoro's primary differentiator is its breadth. It covers not just project execution but also sales and CRM, managing leads, contacts, accounts, and the sales pipeline, quoting and budgeting, creating proposals, estimating project costs, and managing budgets against actuals. Resource planning, visualizing team availability, capacity, and workload across all projects. Time tracking and cost management, detailed tracking of billable and non-billable hours, expenses, and purchases linked directly to projects. Invoicing and billing, automating client invoices based on time, fixed fees, or milestones, and tracking payments. Financial reporting, providing real-time profitability analysis at the project, client, and service level, along with general financial dashboards. Professional Services Automation, PSA Scoro, can be categorized as a PSA tool. It automates and streamlines the administrative tasks involved in delivering professional services, from the initial client contact to final invoicing and payment. Focus on profitability. A central theme in Scoro is profitability. By integrating time, cost, and revenue data, it helps businesses understand exactly how profitable their projects, clients, and services are. Integrated data. Scoro aims to eliminate data silos. All information, from sales opportunities to project tasks to invoices, resides in one system, providing a holistic view of the business. Reporting and dashboards for business insights. Scoro offers robust, customizable dashboards and reports that provide high-level insights into sales performance, resource utilization, project health, and financial KPIs, catering to different stakeholders from project managers to C-suite executives. ERP Lite for professional services. While not a full-fledged ERP like SAP or Oracle, Scoro functions as a mini ERP for professional services, integrating many core business processes relevant to this industry. Typical users of Scoro: professional service businesses, creative agencies, IT consultancies, marketing agencies, accounting firms, and any business that sells time, expertise, or project-based services to clients and needs to manage the entire client lifecycle. The core difference summarized. The most significant difference boils down to their scope and primary use case. Jira is a specialized tool for project management and issue tracking, particularly strong in software development and IT, with a focus on agile methodologies and technical workflows. It handles how work gets done and tracked within projects. Scoro is a comprehensive business management system designed for professional service firms, covering the entire spectrum from sales to project delivery to financials and profitability. It handles all aspects of managing a client-facing, project-based business. Which one should you choose? Choose Jira if you are a software development team, IT department, or DevOps team. Your primary need is agile project management, bug tracking, and issue management. You require deep customization of workflows for technical processes. You have separate systems for CRM, accounting, and overall business operations, or you plan to integrate Jira with other specialized tools. Choose Scoro if you run a professional service business, agency, consultancy, etc. You need an all-in-one platform to manage your entire client lifecycle, from sales to project execution, time tracking, resource planning, and invoicing. Real-time financial visibility and profitability analysis of projects and clients are critical to your operations. You want to reduce your tech stack and avoid using multiple disparate systems for different business functions. Both Jira and Scoro are powerful tools in their respective domains.